By the end of this video, you are going to be able to pinpoint the exact location of your lost or stolen phone using your laptop or computer, or even better, your iPad, regardless of what brand or operating system that you are using. Here's the catch: most tracking apps only show a vague location pin, or some only update location every few minutes, not in real time. And many tools don't sync properly across devices, making it hard to track fast in real time. In this video, I will show you one powerful tool that tracks your smartphone with precise accuracy. So you need to watch this to the end, because this tool can literally save your device. The first step that you need to make is heading over to Play Store and search for Find Hub. You will get this Google Find Hub. You need to download it and then you need to open it. You need to sign into your Google account and then set up the password or even the pattern. This is for security purposes, okay? Make sure you are logged in into your Google account. Like I have, you can see that I am logged into my account, maxipitech@gmail.com. You can see I have my devices on my screen, and that is the phone that is currently logged in. Okay, you can see the list of the devices that are logged in here. Now, after signing in your Google Find Hub application on your smartphone, you also need to separately sign in on your Find Hub Google on the web browser. All right, the same one as in your phone. You're going to, on the search bar, make sure that you're connected to the internet. I need you to go to this website, google.com android/find/people. Now, I'm going to click on my device. Now you can see that I have a list of devices that are logged in, and that is my phone, Redmi 10C. Now I have ascertained that this phone is already synced on my app and the web version. Let's say my phone is lost and it is connected to the internet. Without even being logged into the Find Hub Google app, I can find the phone on my screen, on my laptop screen, or any other device. Okay, what I need to do is just come here, just head over to device of mine, click it, and then I'll find it. You can see it will refresh, it will contact the device. If the location is turned off, it will tell you that it is turned off. However, if the location is on, okay, and on my screen I try to refresh, it will give me the details of the phone as it is. Look at the charging, the battery percentage, and even the network that it is using, okay? And it will even give me the location on this right part of the screen that has the map, that is utilizing the Google Maps. Now in here, I can see where it is, my device where it is. It is in Kenya. If you view the entire world, you can see that, yeah, my phone is in Kenya. And if I continue zooming in, it will take me directly and pinpoint exactly where it is. You can see, for this to work, you need to ensure that your phone location is currently on. You just head over to your notifications and then you find the location icon. You need to turn it on. If it is off, you need to turn it on. All right. Now, the other feature that this Google Find Hub web application has is you can play the sound of that phone if it is lost in your house and it is connected to the internet. You only need to play the sound, this, and then on my phone, and the only way to silence it is you can do it on the web browser, or you can do it on your phone by tapping on that notification and the sound will be deactivated. The downside of using this tracking method is that, one, you will need to have signed in your Google Find Hub app and also the web application with the same Google account. Number two, the method only works when your phone is connected to the internet. The condition this method needs to work is that the location feature is always on in your smartphone. By this, you need to go to your notification settings and enable it. However, it's important to note how this method pinpoints the exact location of your device. It's easy, fast, and cost effective as compared to other methods. Tell me what you think in the comments. Be productive.